Hello, welcome to Cryptozen World, the online course that's gonna change your whole mind about trading and equip you to become a professional trader and make some massive cash in the market. Now, as an introduction to crypto trading, we're gonna set your mind on what you are gonna be expecting while making this journey into these courses or into these classes. As we start, we're gonna first of all answer the question, what exactly is crypto trading? What does it mean? How does it affect us? Okay? So I'm gonna be setting your mind. There are things you have to keep in mind first of all. That before you go into crypto, you have to know these things and be sure that you have your mind are well equipped to come into this business. Okay. Now the question is, what exactly is crypto trading? Now I'll be answering the question, but before you took this course, what exactly do you think is crypto trading? Okay, many feel it's just like a get rich quick scheme, but basically it's a get rich slow scheme. So cryptocurrency trading is basically speculating on price movements in a market, in a platform called CFD, the for difference platform. Cryptocurrency also, crypto trading can also be referred to as buying and selling of an asset or a currency. Okay, now I want us to really understand what this CFD really is, how it's very vital that we speculate on this private movement in this CFD's platform. Okay, the contract for different platform. Now, one thing I want us to first understand is that CFD is a platform that involves or enables individuals to trade an asset, engaging in a contract between themselves and a broker. Okay, now this CFD platform is a medium in which is like an intermediary between the trader and the broker. Okay, now the CFD platform also offers the underlying asset that traders speculates on. They offer those assets that we say, oh, this asset is going to go up and it's going to go down. These are the platforms that provide them in their these are the people that provide them in their platform. Okay, now traders open the position and set parameters whether to go long or short. This same CFD helps traders to choose to open a position either to go long or to go short. Okay, so now it also enables traders to have this agreement in a contract. Okay, they say the two engage in a contract agreeing on what the opening price for the position is and whether or not to add additional fees to it. What this is trying to make us understand is that uh, when you go into the market or a CDF platform, it gives you an agreement, or like, oh, I'm going to enter into the market at this price, and I feel the market will be I speculated the market will be going up. 0.5, and I will be taking my profit 1 point something. Okay, now you have made something, you have made an agreement. When you enter that position, you have made an agreement with the CDF platform. So it is the platform that gives you this agreement and gives you those prices. So now the other reason or whatever, what's significant about the CDF platform is that the position is open and remain open until either you are stopped or you are liquidated or your take profit has been achieved or targeted or it has triggered. So one thing about the CDF platform is that you're not being tricked or you're not being scammed there or whatever. Traders must always know that, yeah, my trade can only go well or it might only go right. So the CDF platform, they're not they're not they're not they are not just interested. uh they don't care about your underlying asset. They don't take your asset. Okay, your trade is your trade. Okay, we move on to the steps to also become a profitable trader. That steps you can take to become a profitable trader. First of all, there is something that can help every trader, and 95% of traders, they don't use this thing, they don't know how to use it. That is the risk management system and the stop loss. Many of you have been asking me about the risk management system and the stop loss, so I just decided to say, yeah, that is the major two things that can save you. How do you use it, and how do you place the stop loss? This and more we'll be discussing in the next classes. Okay, so one of the things that will also save you is understanding that trading is not a mathematical equation. It's a psychology, it's a philosophy also. You see, trading is something you you understand, you learn and figure out a way your own self to be part of it. Sometimes you make use of your own emotions. Okay, so so that you don't get carried away when it comes. Just know ahead that I have spoken about it, that you have to just make sure that uh, uh, you don't say, oh, because the patterns are this way, meaning the trade must go this way. No, there's all course bringing out your own strategy to fight the market or to conquer the market. Now, one of the things you need to look out for if you want to become profitable is to always practice trading. Is to always practice, be knowledgeable about this thing. After getting this course, you're not going to become guru once. Your consistent practice will make that happen. Okay, crypto is traded 24 hours per day. Now this is where it starts. Cryptocurrency doesn't sleep. Traders doesn't we sleep though we're humans, but crypto doesn't sleep. Okay, don't be a hero to fight the trend. Don't ever fight the trend. Just as this man here, when the trend is going up, the trend is going up, and you made a speculation that the trend will still continue going up, and you enter the market here and you see it going down. You say, oh, it will go. Why don't it go? Why don't it go? Why is it not going up? Why is it not going up? And you're like, you want, all you do is just exit the market here, and wait for the market to correct itself and make another speculation on this same market. Learn what made your strategy didn't work here, and you don't need to start beating around the bush why you lose the trade and it didn't go according to your speculation. Okay, now there's one vital aspect of this I thought it was you should know, that is putting the money. You cannot afford to lose any trade. You see, as a beginner, when you get into crypto, after much practicing, now you want to make a real trade. Now the amount you are going to use should not be something. If you lose it, it's going to affect your whole mind and emotions, and personally, it's not going to wear you down. Okay, that is what it really means. And also, I want you to understand that trading is more volatile than stock market. It goes up, it comes down, it goes up, it comes down. It can drop at any time, it can go up at any time. Bitcoin went up to like 50,000, up to from 45,000 to 50,000, 46,000 to 50,000 within just a day. Within that same day or next, it came down drastically to $45,000. So you can imagine how this is. You can imagine how the whole uh, volatility of the market. So now this is one thing we have to look out for or understand if we are also going to make profit in the crypto trading. And also my last hint: don't pray for the market to go right in your direction. Always have a proven strategy that will make sure that, yeah, this market is going right. Okay, uh, always don't start praying. Oh, look at this. Trend is going up and it came down. Don't be praying. Oh, pray. Let it go back. Let it go back up. No, no. What you should be doing is that what you should be doing is to make sure that your strategy works perfectly. Okay, if it doesn't work, your trade, your prayer will not work. Okay, so all these things will be taught, just giving you to try to set your mind. uh, don't worry, I understand this is your first time, and okay, so don't worry, you're gonna get it all right. Okay, so as we move on,